Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Hello. And was what? Take this freaking magazine right to your face. Can't believe all. There's a GPO on of this mouse. Nah, not because. Do you remember in Joker Joe's part 2 I showed you? Oh, not because. And false mouse. This mouse. That's the best monster. Where's my mom? I remember the motherfucker and I said I run naked. Oh yeah. Fuck your shit. Yeah. Saga magazine. Got everything here. Except for this naked horse. I can't believe there's all very naked horse wearing a brief. But I wonder when I feel uncomfortable. I look at this file. Never mind. And a project in it, but it doesn't work. I just put my pants naked and I said, oh yeah, fuck you shit. Then I'm over. Yeah. Double frost in my heart. And look at the job goats. Oh, did I say to you the title? Joby don't watch me. So he don't watch me. Never mind. Shareability almost. Go! Thank you thought I was spelled. Now where the bus? Yes, stay on. Yeah, yo, I wanna see your baby, see your baby, see your baby. I wanna see your baby, see your baby. Tonight, baby, say I'm all mine for me myself. On to the baby. Oh, my cooter. Vents. Think what I'm copying. Take the dog because you saw the banana man so. Banana man! It's man. Oh my goodness. It's mas mariachi, mas me amo. Blah blah blah. Okay. Okay. This is the end of my part 2. Okay. So bye bye. So thanks for watching. Bye bye, and I hope you liked. Please subscribe or like our bloopers, because we're gonna show you in our website at Jofi Jokes. Jofi Jokes. Jofi Jokes. Type Jofi Jokes /rock. And then you'll see all my bloopers, all my videos, parts, but this is only my short part. But in my web, in Joke Videos, you will see up to part 100, because we're gonna really make expensive for now. Customer on your shop. Bye! See your ugly face, Jumi.